Okay, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make open top hung window and some variation of it. First of all, we have to make the rotated rectangle, and we can click from this point. We can drag to the another side, maybe around 3 meter. The value 3 meter is about the length of the window itself. Then we can set the depth of the frame, the window around 120 millimeter or 12 centimeter. Then we can click this plane. We can select this push, and we can push it to the upper position around 2.1 meter. Okay, approximately just like this. And we can offset it inside by click this plane using offset tool. We can offset it inside around 60 millimeter. The frame is just approximate. The frame is depend on your style and design anyway. So we have to click this plane, and then we can select the push, and we can push it until the limit. Okay, and then we can triple click, and I'm sorry, we can click this line. We can click the fourth line. Okay, we can click this line, this line, this line, and this line, and we can offset it outside. We can click offset for place for the window lift placement. We can click 10 millimeter, okay, or 1 centimeter. We can click this plane, and then we can select a push, and we can push it to the behind around 40 millimeter. Okay, and then we can get the profile of the window frame, the main window frame. So we can triple click, right click, and select make group, and we can make the another uh, rectangle. We can make the another frame on this area. We can use the rotated rectangle. Okay, start from here. Can start from here. Sorry, we can use rotated rectangle. Start from here and place on this position. Okay, and then we can place on this position. Okay, so we can click this plane and select a push, and push it to the left side, 60 millimeter. Okay, triple click, right click, and make group, and we can click this frame, right click, and make component, and just create. Then we can select a move, press Control, and then click this point, and then we can place on this position, and then we can type 3 slash. Okay, so we can get the three divided, or I mean, it doesn't similar of each other. So this left side is similar with the right side, but for the middle, in the middle window lift is different. It's different. So I suggest you to start from here to move this frame. Start from here. Make sure that this frame linear to this main frame, and we can delete it first. Okay, so we can click this one, and then we can. Okay, we have made the component, and then we can select click. Then we can select move and press Control and click this point, and then we can move until this position and click. Then we can type 3 slash. Okay, so we can get the perfect dividing. We can find the perfect dividing. We can. I will show you about the dimension, that there is a perfect dimension of each other. It's about 980 millimeter of every single window lift frame. Okay, so I have to delete it. I have to delete unnecessary. I'm sorry, I have to delete unnecessary object. Okay, so we can delete on with we can delete the left and right frame with erase, and then we can click the middle frame to the correct position. Okay, and then we can adjust for every single frame with the click this line, select a move, press Control, and then duplicate to the left side around 10 meter, and also the left side. We can select a move, press Control, and click this line. Click this one, 1 meter, 1 millimeter. Sorry. And then we can click this plane, and then we can select push. Then we can push it to the behind around 40 millimeter, and then click push it to the behind 40 millimeter. Okay, so we can get the perfect mainframe first, and I will make the outer shell of it. We can select all this object, and then we can select the outer shell. You can select the outer shell from the solid tools. If your SketchUp have no appear the solid tool, you can select a few toolbar. Then you can select the solid tool. You can check this one and then close, and then it will be appear this several tools. You can select the outer shell after you select all this object targeted. Okay, so we can get this one, and we can we can now make the window lift with using the rectangle. Start from the corner with the diagonal direction, and then click this one. Okay, so we can click this plane and offset inside. We can offset inside around 80. Okay, we can right click and erase, and then we can click this plane. Then we can click push, and we can push until the limit of the space of the frame. Okay, so then we can triple click, right click, and make group. And also we can make the more detailed connection between the frame and the window lift. So if you wanna render this object, it will be seems like realistic or representative. So we have to click this plane. Okay, and then we can select the offset. Then we can offset it inside around 5 mm only. Okay, so we can get the double outline. Then we can just push it to the behind around um, 5 mm also. Okay, I mean it's enough. And then you can make the another element, which is this is the glass window. You can select the rotated rectangle, start from here. Okay, rotated rectangle and start from here, from this middle, and then click this in the middle. Then we can set the thickness of the frame maybe around 10 mm. Then we can click this plane, push it up. We can push it up until okay connect to this position, and then we can triple click, right click, and also make group. Then we can select a glass, click this glass, and click this one, and we can set the opacity and about the color of the glass. It's depend on you. Okay, maybe it more representative. Okay, so and after that you can also edit for this inner frame of the window lift. You can triple click on this window lift frame, then you can click for inner outline of this window lift. Okay, you can click this four line 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can offset it a little bit outside as 5 mm far. Okay, then you can click this plane and you can select push and click on this plane, and then we can click on this position. Okay, so you can get the more detail connection between the window frame and the window lift at all. Then you can click this glass, you can click this window lift frame, right click and make group, and also you can right click and make component and create. And you can make the duplication of this window lift to the another position. You can select the move and press Control. Okay, and then you can place on the proper position for every single window lift. And then okay, it's clear. And then I wanna give you method or trick how to open the top hung window, how to open for every single top hung window. Okay, before we do this, we have to, I mean it better if we add some material of it. Okay, okay, I mean it was great, and we can also set the color. We can also set the color of the window, maybe it the more darkness than before. Okay, okay, so we can just click this window. I'm sorry, we have to select the tab measure tool. Okay, and then we can click this 8. We can click from this 8. Okay, click this one, and then we can place on this corner. Okay, so this is a perfect movement. I mean, then we can click this plane, this window leaf. Then we can select the rotate. Okay, we can select the rotate, click, and then we can click the intersection between the guideline and the main frame of the window. Okay, we can click this intersection. Okay, by following the right axis, and then we can select the any any position or any endpoint. Click, and then we can adjust for the um, angle or inclination. Okay, so you can try to click for another window leaf. Click this one, and then you can select rotate, and again you can select this one. Click, click, and click. So you can get a triple click from this. You can click this window leaf and click the rotate, and you can click on this intersection between the guideline and the main frame of the window. Click intersection, and then we can click again, and we can also adjust it again. Okay, this is for example, and okay, I will show about the dimension of it. I will show about the dimension, and you can try to exercise by yourself about making window easily with this trick that I give to all of you. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. And thanks for watching, and have a good day.